This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Restnap Chewable Tablet is a unique solution for enhancing sleep. It effectively regulates sleep patterns and improves overall sleep quality. Indications and uses. This chewable tablet is indicated for the management of jet lag, sleeplessness, restless legs, and anxiety. It works by improving sleep quality, increasing total sleep time, and balancing the sleep-wake cycle, making it suitable for individuals who struggle to fall asleep or stay asleep. How it works. The active ingredients in the tablet mimic the actions of melatonin, helping to restore the body's natural sleep rhythms. Directions for use. Take the tablet as directed by your physician, preferably at bedtime after meals. It should be chewed thoroughly in the mouth and not swallowed whole. Do not exceed the recommended dosage, and consult your doctor if you have any concerns regarding its use. Possible side effects. Possible side effects include headache, drowsiness, dizziness, dry mouth, constipation, and irritability. Consult a healthcare provider if any of these symptoms persist or worsen. Precautions and warnings. Before starting this medication, inform your doctor if you have epilepsy, autoimmune conditions, diabetes, or liver and kidney problems. Avoid smoking and alcohol while taking this medication, as they may reduce its effectiveness or cause adverse reactions. It is also not recommended for use in pregnant or breastfeeding women. FAQs. 1. What is Restnap Chewable Tablet used for? It helps regulate sleep and manage sleeplessness. 2. Is it safe? Generally safe for short-term use. Consult a healthcare provider for prolonged use. 3. Can it be used during pregnancy? Not recommended for pregnant women. 4. What are the side effects? Possible headaches and drowsiness. 5. How long does it take to work? Typically within 30 minutes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Your thoughts are always welcome.